Let's talk numbers. So if you're watching this video, maybe you own a business, how well are you tracking your expenses, and what does your accounting look like? What does your team look like? Truth be told, if you asked me that question 7 years ago, I was basically managing the accounting, and I barely passed that class in college because I'm just so bad at it. Definitely wasn't my skill set. And so as we got more clients and we got more revenue, I was able to kind of bring on more people. And so we then brought on a CFO who took the reign from me and just kind of cleaned up everything, cleaned up our books, like really was working hard to kind of clean up the mess that I left her. And then as we got more clients, then we brought on, two additional staff members that kind of work on our team. And so now our accounting team is, we have 3 people on the accounting team, and boy, is it night and day difference. I mean, every time somebody like travels, even myself, right? If I travel and I stop for a Starbucks, I can bet that, within 24 hours, I'm going to get an email saying, hey, by the way, I've seen that you stopped at Starbucks at this location. I just want to make sure, what was this for? Who did you meet with? Was it a prospect? Was it a client, right? Because what happens is that then they're taking all that data and they are basically attributing it, back to individual clients, right? So not only do we have a P&L for our whole organization, but we have client P&Ls too, so that we know which clients are we most profitable with, right? Which clients, are we less profitable with, right? Stuff like that. And then there's so much more that they do from financial forecasting, right? That's important. In order to kind of grow to the next level, you have to have a budget, and you have to kind of work backwards, and you have to know what resources that you need, and you have to know your profit margin, and you have to know, all of this stuff, right? And so I can sleep well at night knowing that we are compliant and that our finances are so buttoned up and they take care of payroll and all of the other stuff. And, if you are juggling this right now and you're doing it yourself, please know that, there's hope on the way, but you have to find the right people.